If you stifle a sneeze, there's a chance you can damage organs in your head, including eye blood vessels, rupturing your eardrums, and possibly rupture a brain aneurysm, which means there's a small chance stifling a sneeze can kill you. Better to be the loud A with the sneeze that can be heard around the world than a dead loud A cause someone told you to stifle that sneeze. An elephant masturbates by slapping its penis on itself. Don't we all? Not creepy. I also masturbate by slapping my penis on an elephant. Ducks become cannibals due to boredom. Of all effing reasons, they can only be stopped by cutting off their mouths.